Hi, it's Dr. B from Civilian Medic. In this video, we're going to learn how to pack a wound. This is a wound that could be deeper, it could be on the extremity, it could be in a junctional area, remember the armpits or the groin, or it could be on the trunk itself. Hemostatic gauze is always our preferred method of wound packing and for holding pressure because it stops bleeding in about 3 minutes. But anything will work. You can use a rag, you can use your shirt, you can use any cloth that you have. And in other videos, they have the cute shirt that says, this shirt can save my life, right? Well, anything you have. Don't be modest at that point. Take off your shirt, whatever you need to do, but let's save that person's life. Remember, we don't use hemostatic gauze in the airway or in the eye, or if there is a sucking chest wound. Let's watch the video together, and I'll describe what's happening. We've identified life-threatening bleeding, called 911, the scene is safe, we see there's a deep wound, we explore the wound slowly with our finger first, making sure there's no sharp object in there, right? Bone fragment, bullet fragment, whatever foreign body penetrated, it could be there. We want to pack enough to fill the wound, because if we don't fill the wound, when we put pressure on top, that pressure will not be transmitted to the inside of the wound, right? Which is where the bleeding is. And then we hold pressure until EMS arrives. Remember, if you peek, it will leak. So please don't peek. Also, don't be surprised when the person yells at you or maybe uses inappropriate language because it hurts. And then you say, as we learn in class, I've called 911, I'm saving your life. Okay, but don't peek. If you find that after 3 minutes using hemostatic gauze and there's just blood coming everywhere and everything is soaked, okay, you can change it, pull it out, use more gauze, use some of the gauze from on the top, okay? Use a different shirt, use something different, all right? But if it looks like you've got the blood bleeding, really slowed down, you're fine, just hold pressure, okay? Remember also, you don't want to make a huge pillow on top because just like a pillow, it'll decrease the pressure down to the wound. So you don't want to make a super tall, chunk of gauze or shirt, just a few layers and enough that after the wound is packed that you could hold pressure. It's essential though, really fill that space up with the rag, the shirt, the hemostatic gauze, whatever material you're using. If you have further questions about this, never hesitate to reach out to me. Those first 5,000 questions are free. Go to civilianmedic.com, go to the contact page, and leave me a message. I'll get back to you. Thanks again for watching.